Hello everyone, this is Erica. I am here at the Baltimore Aquarium. So I'm going to be walking around and my goal is to get to the black tip reef where you'll see all the sharks. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough. I'll let you see what I see and then we will exit the building so we can get to my sorority's public meeting this evening. So, okay, here we go. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what I see. It is absolutely beautiful. As you all know, I love going to the Baltimore Aquarium. Look at this, it's so beautiful. So we're actually, you know what? In the interest of time, we'll probably, turn you around to me. I'm gonna walk the first floor around here, then we'll probably take the elevator all the way up to the top so we can walk down the reef. We're not going to go to the rainforest today because I don't want to be late for our public meeting here in Baltimore. All of my sorors in the North Atlantic region. Oh, this is beautiful. You got to see it. Look at this. See all the bubbles? They're really cool. Yes, so all of my sorors in the North Atlantic region, they're on their way to Baltimore so we can start our 86th regional conference. I am here at the aquarium because I like to save where I can, splurge where I want. And since I am a member of the aquarium, I said, hey, let me come here to save on parking while I am in Baltimore. All right, look. You see the skaters? It's a big one. I just missed it. So as I walk, you'll see another skater. I know it's called skating something. Oh, you'll catch it on this side. Look at the big turtle. This turtle, it only has one fin. I remember it from last time. It only has one fin. They actually rescued this turtle and now it won't be able to live out in nature anymore because it only has one fin. So, and look, it's the Finding Nemo fish. You see one? They have a big aquarium full of the Finding Nemo fish upstairs. You'll see that in a minute. When I'm pointing, you see the shark. And if I drop my phone here, I would just, I guess, call my insurance. It would be unfortunate. But luckily, I have my business phone with me as well. So it would be unfortunate if this phone goes away. There was a skater. You see it? It's gone. Yeah. So now we're walking upstairs. She was in front of us. So, this is really cool. Oh, excuse me, can I go? What, you want to go? I'm sorry. No, it's all right. I'm doing an express tour. It's okay. No, it's okay. No problem. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. Oh, I love the aquarium, especially at night when the children go home and it's just adult, especially if you come here on a date. And then, like, as you go up, everything's dark, and the only thing is by the lit. It's so romantic. And if you come here with a date and you just hug their arm, it's so amazing. I love coming to the aquarium. Absolutely love it. This is best date night. Yeah. After the kids leave. After the kids leave. Oh my. And you just slowly stroll through with your significant other, like, yes. And if you have a little music like playing, you can listen to that, like some smooth jazz or something. Oh, see, I'm setting the mood, right? Like, oh yes, this is amazing. So I tell everyone I know, you have to go on a date here at the Baltimore Aquarium. I love it. Anyway, enjoy your time. Okay, sorry, I was talking to the people. You know I love the people. I'm such an extrovert. Love the people. It's something really cool. I don't know what it's called, but when I get there, excuse me, when I get there, I'll let you all know. We're gonna move like swiftly through here because we have things to do tonight. My sorors are coming to town. Okay, anyway, I'm so excited. These here, they're giving you like glimpses into what the different beaches and reefs look like. So this is the Atlantic shelf. Okay, moving along. So the aquarium is so cool. It's like you have these escalator things. Now I'm on the second level. But look, I look down and I see the same pond that I was at first, when I first started doing my live. Love the aquarium. There the skater again. Can you see it? There's two skaters. And upstairs, when we get to the 4th floor, I can actually touch the skaters. You can touch the jellyfish. Oh, actually, it's the 3rd floor because I'm here where I can actually touch the different fish. This is the perfect date night. I'm actually alone today. However, this, I'm telling you, if you're in the DC metropolitan area and you want to go on a date, highly recommend it to come here. It's awesome for a date night. I don't think I want to touch anything today because I don't want to have to wash my hands and stuff, because remember, we have things to do. But you see the little skaters? These are like the baby ones that we saw downstairs that you could touch them here. It's not one that's close to me that I can touch. Hi.
Hi.
We're on Facebook Live.
Awesome.
Yay. Is there anything you would like to say? Are you okay with being on Facebook Live?
Sure.
Okay, yay. I didn't want to put you on there. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Is there anything you would like to tell us about anything in front of us? I forgot what this one's called.
That one is a horseshoe crab.
And the outside of the shell is really hard. But you have to watch out for his eyes. They're really beady eyes in the top, so you have to be very careful with that one. Look what I know. There's a skater right here. Look. It's like incognito, and it digs itself in the dirt as it sleeps. Like, hey, look. You see the one right there? His eyes are moving. That's a skater too. But when it goes to sleep, it...
Well, what you see blinking aren't actually their eyes.
What is it?
So those are called spiracles, and they're kind of like snorkels or tubes that lead down to their gills.
Wow. But listen, that one was on top of the other one.